Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let's start. Open CapCut. Go to New Project. And add 1 video and 17 photos. Now select Format 9:16. Now adjust all photos to full screen. Now delete the end part. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now set video and photos to this time duration. Now check your video. Now select resolution and export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.